I know I said I was no damn dude, Big Lebowski. I didn't need a rug in my life, but here it is, man. Went back the second day. They still had some in stock. You know, San Antonio is kind of slow, so here is the rug. Wet grass. So we're gonna get into this, show you what it looks like. I'm super hyped, man. So here we go. It's the Virgil Abloh wet grass rug. As you can see, man, this thing is pretty darn huge. It's super soft. It's like a shag, Austin Powers type deal going on here. Man, I don't even know what to think about this thing, but it is loud. Green is one of my favorite colors, but this thing is loud. So if you're gonna try and pick this thing up, this thing is huge, number one. Number two is loud. And number three is very green. So you better like all three of those aspects. I'm not a reseller, I'm keeping this thing. It's wild. I'll probably be doing my unboxing videos on this from time to time. So there it is. Virgil Abloh IKEA collaboration, the Markerad collection. Wet grass rug. Thanks for watching.
And here we have the Virgil Abloh Markerad collection with the sculpture bag evoking the postmodernism of consumerism. Simply put, it is pure genius.